Rakugo, light insurance, heavy punishment. Well now, the world has become very convenient. Back in the old days, saving money meant simple things. Turning off the lights, using less water, bringing your own lunch. But today? No, today is different. Now you just press the system a little, and your insurance payment gets cut in half. That's the kind of era we're living in. Master, this is terrible. What is it now? Fire? Earthquake? Or is it another case of my smartphone bill is expensive even though it doesn't work? Even worse, there's a life hack that makes your insurance payment half price. A hack? That already sounds suspicious. Master, it's amazing. Even politicians, if you earn around 10 million yen a year, health insurance gets expensive, right? Sure, the more you earn, the more you pay. That's normal. That's ability to pay. But this hack slips right through that. If something slips through in Japan, it usually ends up as a scandal. No, listen, the mechanism is simple. First, you become a board member of a general incorporated association. A board member? That's the kind of title people love just because it sounds important. Then you pay membership fees, like 34,000 yen a month, or maybe 50,000. Wait, you pay? You pay, but then as part of your board duties, you answer a survey twice a month, and you receive about 11,700 yen as compensation. Hey, and then that board compensation becomes the basis, so your insurance premium goes way down, 1,000,000 yen becomes half. Hey, hold on. Amazing, right? Amazing in the most terrifying direction possible. Master, is this legal? No idea, but tricks like this always target one thing. What's that? A system where the rules are a little too loose. So the system is loose, therefore the trick is lawful? Don't get excited. Government systems can't watch everything perfectly. That's how loopholes are born. So it's a whoever does it first wins situation. Feeling like you won is the most dangerous part. But master, isn't that what reform is? Lowering insurance costs? Don't be ridiculous. That's not reform. Then what is it? A cheat code. A cheat code. Reform means changing things openly in public like a grown-up. A cheat code is just cheating. Cheating. But master, I heard it's all self-declared. You just report it yourself. Self-declared? That always comes with a matching side dish. Responsibility. Like a set meal. Nice one. If you use self-declaration to make things easy, a bill arrives later. A bill? For insurance? No. A bill for trust. But master, if you become a board member, that's a side job, right? Sure, that's a side job. So your main job is politician, side job is board member. Kid, the order looks backwards. Backwards? Your main income is the politician's salary. The board member role is just a tool to make insurance cheaper. A tool. And if you treat the system like a tool, the one who gets angriest isn't the government. Then who? The public. The public doesn't react to numbers first. They react to smell. And the smell they hate most is... What smell? The smell of cheap tricks. That smell spreads fast, and then it's instant backlash. But master, if insurance becomes half price, people will want to do it. Exactly. That's why it's scary. Profit spreads faster than morality. True. And in the end, they always say the same line. Which line? It is not illegal. Ah, such a convenient phrase. Too convenient. Eventually, people start living off the phrase not illegal. That's like a profession. Loophole gourmet. So master, what happens in the end? What happens? It's always the same. Always the same? The insurance payment gets lighter. But in exchange, if you get caught, the punishment gets heavier. Punishment? Party discipline, expulsion, investigations, press conferences, explanations, whatever you made lighter, gets replaced by something heavy sitting on top of you. Ugh. Master, so in the end, you don't gain anything. You gain for one moment, you lose for a long time. That's like life. Life can still be funny. Politics can't. Master, can I ask one last thing? What is it? What's the heaviest thing of all? That's easy. What? The excuse. The excuse is heavy? Heavy excuses sink people. Sinking brings punishment. And after punishment, they say the final line. What line? It was meant to be Ishin reform. Master, that's not reform anymore. Exactly. They tried to raise Ishin, but they drowned in a loophole and lost their Ishin. Ishin. Dignity.